outside. All right, so Angie, family day starts with you. You're the youngest. All right, we're following you. So,
Come on. I don't know where the bike is.
what are we getting you today?
A mountain bike, possibly.
A new bike. And then if it's a mountain bike or whatever,
No,
let's try that again. And what are you getting, little girl?
a bike.
Nice. All right, guys, family day has officially started. Hip, hip, hooray. Oh. You're only being afraid of who you really are.
Here you go. This is what's for dinner.
And corn deer.
Deer corn.
Deer corn, that's what we're going to eat.
Let's go. Baby alive.
All right, let's take a look at all the bikes. Here's a little mountain bike here. Little, is that a mountain? Oh no, it's a regular bike. Look, 60 bucks for that bike. Yeah?
What bike?
The blue one right here. Let go for 1 second. With a bike like this, instead of going all the way up here to the seat, we'll go right here like this. Then when you get your foot on, then you jump up and you sit on your seat, and then in that point you're using your balance, and then boom, you're off.
Okay, move back there so I can see if she can ride it.
Same thing. When you're gonna go stop, you start slowing it down. You stand up.
All right, move it back, Angie.
Then you sit up. Sit up.
I want her to go all the way back and try to get up on it.
Get on and you get off the same way.
Yep.
I want to get up to you. Do it again. Good. All right, so now, guys, ladies and gentlemen, Angie is a satisfied customer. She'll get it. I got confidence in you. Now, you lay low.
Go ahead, Layla.
All right, lay low. We're following you.
Why does it pack so?
Because they gloves, broski. Because they're one-time buy type thing, so they charge a little extra, you know?
How you get these, right?
Right here, right here. Follow my voice.
Bike. Where Layla?
Right in the buck. By the boxing gloves.
What?
He wished he can get more gloves for that same price. They're only 20 bucks.
I have to buy two of the same things.
Well, that's if you were gonna supply it, but you said Chance has some already, right?
I don't know.
So now you just put them both together.
So get a cheap pair.
Oh, I don't even got you in the video.
Well, if it's gonna be fair, I might as well buy the same one.
Can't you get those? Heavy bag gloves.
Somebody's seen it.
Those are heavy bag gloves.
Yeah, for if
I don't know if they're different. You could check them out. It might be like different kind of padding. This might be harder.
Fight each other.
You want a box?
fun. Yeah, if I have to buy two, I don't think I want to buy it.
So I know you really need headphones, but yeah, no, I agree too. You gotta see, you know what, before you buy them, you gotta see if your boys are gonna be down though.
Well, it would just be good.
Because they like them. It's up to you. Right now I'm gonna shut up.
Freaking
This
spoiled.
is your turn.
Angie, there's another bike and it's 79.
Can I see it?
Up in the front. It's the same exact bike. So tell them what you're getting, son.
Earbuds.
You're getting what kind of earbuds?
Beats. Earbuds.
And why do they have to be Beats?
Because they're good quality.
Hey guys, look.
Everybody.
Here's my thing right here.
Everybody inside of the YouTube world, let my mom know that Beats are good quality.
I don't wear headphones. It makes me anxious when I wear
I
headphones.
love headphones. I need them. Yeah, I use them all the time.
Listen, guys. He does. He always has headphones on. But for me, I feel like if I can't hear people, I get anxious. Like I can't hear them right. So I don't like wearing headphones. Here.
Huh.
I can't hear it.
Sometimes you're going crazy. Be careful.
Oh, there we go. Look at this. That good old country music, man.
We say goodbye, see you around. We turn our backs, then turn back around. We break up, we make up, and
can't do this.
love.
I can't do this. You're supposed to let me go off anymore, bro.
Oh, you could just shut it off. How about this one?
He owes you a sandwich at lunch break. What the?
Whoa!
What the frack?
Do that again?
Ooh, stop.
Why is that so loud, yo?
Stop. Oh my god.
Guys, we did not do that. Just
Hold
to
on,
clarify
which one is
but
that?
we want to hear it. Stop, Lilo. I want to hear it.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Baby, I should think before I call. I'm trying to turn it down. I get emotional, words come out all wrong.
Hold on, turn it off real fast. Turn it off.
What the heck?
Jesus. Don't touch
There's
it no more.
no-
Don't do it. Don't do it. We're going to get good. What the? Stop touching. Just don't do it.
Oh, this one.
Guys, they're trying to set us.
Wait a second.
Where's the volume?
I think it's all coming out of the same
volume,
thing.
volume. I got you guys.
Oh
Go
my
ahead.
God.
Go ahead. Ready?
Go.
Let me get in your.
Oh, nope.
Sorry. It was at a.
Oh my god.
But hold on. How do you turn it low?
I don't know. Like,
Oh my-
Join him, yo. It was like,
My heart is beating so fast I couldn't turn it off.
Every customer that walked by, turn that thing on.
Oh
Sorry,
my
yo.
god.
It's just-
Get used to it.
It's like Pandora's box, bro. Once we started, we couldn't stop.
We just wanted to see how we can lower it for you. Yeah, that's about it.
All right. But we just like, can you like,
Look at that.
Blister on my foot.
Oh, look at smart Wi-Fi bulbs. You can turn these bulbs on.
Thank you.
Hold on. How the heck you could turn these bulbs on with your Wi-Fi?
Really?
Yeah, I have one. That's pretty cool.
Really? What do you do? Just turn it on with your phone?
Google,
Yeah.
Oh,
turn down my light.
really? Alexa, turn my light
The
down.
future is right now.
Wow, that's
Yo,
crazy.
is am I the only one that can still hear that music in my head?
Oh, excuse me.
They're like mad loud. What happened? Oh, we keep forgetting a cart. I'll grab it. I got it. Oh.
You were just talking about that too. Can you believe that your father made it happen? He made it happen. Look at Kilo crying over there.
Proud moment here. Proud moment. You know, I really do enjoy family day.
Okay, let's
And
go.
you know what's the beauty of this? That you always save the best for last. My love, it's your turn.
I don't want anything.
You ready? You don't know it yet because you haven't seen it yet.
No, I really don't. No. If I'm gonna get anything, I'm gonna get a new dresser.
Let's look around.
Okay, I'm gonna get a dresser, guys. I need a dresser. Maybe I'll get a bed thing. A 10-inch mattress. Hello. I didn't even know you were right there.
Oh my goodness.
Her lips are bad.
I know, my poor princess.
Just look at them walking around like this.
Hey.
Hurry up, I want to go home.
Hey, look. Got to,
Let me get that camera, baby. Let's get you now. It's your turn. Yeah, if you don't mind. After you get it ready.
I was just looking at this. Look at that. Yeah, my desk is a mess. I don't need a new one.
Don't hurt yourself.
Please get a new one. I want you to.
Yeah, if I get a new one, Angie gets to have mine. But
That's why she's like, yeah, please. Great idea, Mom.
Go check.
oh, it's only $50.
Whoa!
Hey, and then you still have 50 smackaroos.
No,
It looks a little cheap, though.
it is cheap. It's only $50.
Where's my table?
Let's go get a planner. Let's go get some candles. Huh? Yeah? Awesome.
Daddy.
Then it's been a success.
Spoiled, son. You spoiled.
Dad.
I must be spoiled too because I can't even think about something I want.
Mm-hmm. That's right. That's my
Or
job.
not spoiled.
I was not spoiled as a child. You know how much joy this gives me right now?
I wasn't spoiled as a child.
Exactly. Babe, we
But I'm not a child.
freaking broke the chain, bro. Dude, freaking love you, man. Freaking love you. Okay.
These are all low rises. I don't want.
Well, no, because you might have messed up his headphones. You gotta just walk, I'm sorry.
My feet hurt.
I know, my feet hurt too.
I'm ready to go. Your father won't let me leave until I get something.
Nope, that's right. You're held hostage to spend money. That's right.
And of course,
Torture.
they don't have no black ones.
They're in there. They're hidden. Right here.
In my size? This
Oh, I
is
don't know.
size 13. I don't think I'm size.
Yeah, make sure they're your size.
But who knows? I could be.
Well, you try them on. I'm sorry, baby. I know, right? We need like a real, actually, like a seat back there so you can be comfortable. They should make that piggyback seats where you can piggyback somebody more comfortable.
Let me try this.
All right, let's do that. No, we're not in a rush. Family day is no time limit.
I'm gonna ride my bike.
I don't care if it's dark. You're gonna still get 15 minutes to ride your bike.
But you'll be out there with me.
Yep, for 15 minutes, exactly. Yep, so don't worry about it. No matter what, when you go home, you're getting 15 minutes of practice time, okay? Okay. So I want mommy to, I think mommy went this way to the dressing room.
That big slit.
Yep, and there's another way I used to do it too. I used to go on top of the curb. Because then I could just sit down right on top of the seat, on top of the curb, foot, push off, start bike riding. You're in there, right, boo? Okay. All right. What's up, buddy? How we doing? Well, on time.
What's new?
Everything.
Have one of those. I put some cream on it and it went away.
Yeah, nah, she got contagious. She got bit by a unicorn bug the other day.
Yeah.
Horn and ears just started growing out of nowhere. It's really weird, but she's seeing a doctor now.
Okay.
Trying to cope with her inner unicorn.
But you know you're a plumber.
Oh, snap. Looking good, girl.
Let me see it, Mom.
We right here. Hi, Angie. Come on, bro. How do you keep my feet still? I'm way older than you. I'm heavier than you.
Oh, hello.
Oh, hello. Two cows. Where? No, we don't get anything from cows.
Did you show your thingy?
I did.
That's what she's doing today.
I have one heart left. Keep that away from me. I have one heart left.
So you saw yesterday when we went shopping, which I'm gonna add into this vlog. Here's the pants, by the way, because I didn't show you what they look like. So they're high-waisted. These are size 9. And I really did not think that I was gonna fit into a size 9 anymore because my belly got big. But these are the pants. They're earth-friendly. See that? And where's the other piece? Did I throw it out? Oh. They are no boundary, high-rise, sculpting skinny jeans. And I believe they were $17. Now, anybody who knows me knows I usually will not pay $17 for a pair of jeans. But because Kilo was so adamant on me spending money, I was like, you know what? I need to find something. And I actually was gonna put them back, but I didn't. I kept them. So, this is them. And I also got these pants. When I had them on, he was like, oh shit, throwback with the buttons, the high rise. These are also a size 9. And they're by No Boundary. And they were only $7. See, that's what I'm talking about. That's my price. $7 for a pair of pants? You cannot beat that. Oh, no fly. How big did he grow? You was feeding him and shit? No! That's why you need to stay outside. Did your wife tell you I had to call her last night to ask her the recipe? Angie, you love that shit. Oh my God, I'm sorry guys. We got Tot outside. He's talking with Kilo about. Say what's up, Tot.
And then when they had the salad, they had like lobster, which is good. It's not
Tot's trying to convince Kilo to eat some shit he don't like beans. He came with a good theory though. He was like, what do a bean really taste like? And Kilo was like, I don't know. It just don't taste good. But really, he came up with, he said, the bean tastes like whatever the bean is cooked with. I agree on that. If it's cooked with some tasty ass meat, it's gonna taste like the flavor of the meat. Anyway, let me get back to what I was showing you. So I got that. I got me some $250 underwear. They're not worn, see. They were $250. I don't really know if I'm gonna like these, but Kilo grabbed me a couple of them. I was ready to go, guys. I was like, can we just get out? Can we get out of here? So he picked a couple colors out. And then I got this, which I was afraid to get because, and this was $10. I'm telling you, that man was trying to make me spend money. I got this because, you know, I am not productive unless I take my nap. So let me try it on. Oh look, I'll show you first, because I is the nap queen.
I actually didn't even check size, but it's a woman's 8 times for me. Definitely not good for weight.
So it's cozy. It's cozy. So if I end up doing a vlog or something, I could and I just woke up from my nap and I look all ratchet, I could put this on. Right? I got that. Oh, and let me show you what else I got.